revised the outlook on the Indian telecom sector to negative from stable for 2016. And I think one of the factors we highlighted in our report was that, the capex will rise. Most of the incumbents, including Bharti Airtel, significant capex investments in the next 2 to 3 years to launch the LTE 4G services across India. And I think they will invest much more so as to remain competitive with the impending entry of Reliance Jio in the industry. So this is on, I think the announcement is on expected lines.
Yes, because if you see the company's capex in this year was about $3 billion. That's what they'd committed. And they said it could go up by, say another $200 million. So that would roughly mean a 20,000 crore investment is the kind of capex that they're putting in year after year. So if you do that for 3 years, you're getting a 60,000 crore rupee number in any case. So would that be a number which is in line with market expectations?
Yeah, I think the market expectation is around that number, but we believe that they might, invest more than that number. I mean, this is the core investment which you are doing to buy electronic equipment, putting your network infrastructure and rolling your 4G networks. But what about the spectrum which these companies, which they will be acquiring in the next 3 years? I mean, next year there could be another auction of 700 megahertz spectrum, where they will have to put in, some money for the upfront cost of spectrum, and the balance has to be paid on a 10-year, on a phase-by-phase basis. So that number is also included in our capex calculation as we see it.
Okay, Nitin, we'll leave it at that. Thanks so much for joining in. Surbhi, it's a case of damned if you do and damned if you don't. If you don't make those investments, you're going to lose out your subscribers. It is a competitive market, but if you make those investments, which you have to for just pure hygiene and survival stay, it is going to hurt your, it's going to hurt your balance sheet. But net, the number of 68,000 crore rupees, I guess, would be in line with street expectations, because as we pointed out, in FY16, their capex stood at $3 billion. That's 20,000 crore rupees.
So staggered out, we're roughly at the same level, because it's a 3-year.
23 years, you reach a 60,000 crore number in any case. So I'm saying roughly don't get alarmed by the big figure. It is the kind of money that telcos will have to spend to up their network and expand their geographical reach.